Question 13a. The cumulative frequency graph shows the distribution of heights of members of a rowing club. So here we have the information below as a cumulative frequency graph. So it says find the median for question 13ai. So what you have to do here is you look at the cumulative frequency numbers, and you can see that the maximum number is 20. So you'd have to do 20 divided by 2, which gives you 60. So 60 is where the median will be. You'll then draw a cross from 60 to where the graph is, and then down from where it touches the graph to where the heights are. And if you take a look at where this is, this should give you 172 as the answer. So the median is 172 centimeters. Right, so the next question asks you to find the interquartile range from this data. So we go back to the data again. And if you're aware, interquartile range is the upper quartile, take away the lower quartile. Okay, and that is what gives you the interquartile range, IQR. Now to start, to find the lower quartile, LQ, you'll do 120 and you'll find a quarter of it, which is basically dividing by 4, and that gives you 30. You'll then go across from 30 and then down, and this gives you 160. So our lower quartile for heights is 160 centimeters. So now we need to do the same for the upper quartile. So upper quartile is 3/4 of the data. So it'll be the 1/4 we got, 120 divided by 4, and then you'll times that by 3 to give you 90. Okay, so you'd go across from 90 and down to 177. So the upper quartile in terms of height is 177 centimeters. So to find the interquartile range, we'll just take away those two heights. So interquartile range will equal 177 take 160, which gives you 17 centimeters as your answer. So that's the answer for part 2. Now part 3 is asking to calculate the percentage of the members who are at least 180 centimeters tall. Okay, so we'll go back to the data, and what we'll do is we'll go now from the heights and we'll go up from 180 like so, and then across to 100, right? So we go up from 180 and across to 100. So this tells us from 100 onwards are those individuals who have heights that are greater than or equal to 180 centimeters. So what we now need to do is we do 120 take 100 to get how many of those individuals are 180 centimeters and taller. So that will be 20, and then we'll do 20 divided by 120 and then times by 100 to get the percentage, which gives you 16.67%. And that's the answer for that one.